We've reached 1 million likes, darling. Nah. 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 It's just 1 million. We are both same. That's why I decided to go live. We are lower. Candy, why does TikTok? I need another F1 bin. Does F1 work though? I need another F1 bin. Now you TikTok young tiger. Before you end, I mean, I did live. Can I see your mom? Is Panda back? Nope. My life has been restricted. Why though? Yeah. Go on Instagram. Nah. Can you F1 king? I can't tell no one really so F1 ira so. Lena I can't or F1 ira. But I'm kidding. What's F1 is so? TikTok be hating on you, right? Like, what's your problem? Panda is still in KZN. He's coming back tomorrow. Okay, he's coming back on Monday. He's leaving tomorrow. What did you do to receive those restrictions? But he sexually suggestive, suggestive content. Ngenzeni mfethu? Ngenzeni? Nginiflashile perhaps. Uyabona ukuthi TikTok iyangisukela. Uyabona? Ukuthi TikTok iyangisukela. Even TikTok is hating. I am alone. Where are the vlogs? What vlogs? Oh. Guys, I don't know how to vlog. Give me ideas. Maybe they want you to wear a jacket. I mean, yeah, she's. Thando is in League 3. In League 3, in one. D3. You're actually a good person. I am. Angithi nina niyangijaja nje ngokubona ama-clip ku-TikTok. Ningijaja ngokubona ama-clip. Night routine. I don't have one. What's your surname? Thando. Fuck. No. I was thinking you're using lip therapy discam. I have a lot of these. That's why. I probably have like 6 of them left. And then the others are probably somewhere around my room or the house. Tabi defended you from those people. Appreciate her. Today your room is pink. What do you mean today your room is pink? It's always pink. Besides yesterday. Those lashes. What about them? What about them? I was with my individual lashes. I have puma scat. Huh? Huh? Oh, challenge forever and ever. Amen. Can you install? But I can only dial like a middle part and a side part. I cannot style as yet. I need to learn. And if I do, y'all are gonna be sick of me. And I'm gonna do braids. Not anytime soon, child. When I'm dropping the last episode of Drink to Tell the Truth with Thando Woods, it's dropping tomorrow at 3 p.m. It's a birthday month, yes. And are we still friends? Yes. Why not, Sana? Manje lena bese kuba yini? Why so late? I don't know. How? I don't know. Nina, buzani, ama questions anengqondo. Otherwise you will block or mute between the two. Where's Bay? Bay is in KZN. Durban, basically. But the Boombos. What happened to your main accounts? It got banned. Any chance of you getting your old account back? Probably not. Probably not. But you can't even be an ant at their house. Yo, I don't like him. Who do you want to collab with? I don't know. I really don't know. Are you planning something big for your birthday? No. It's probably gonna feel like it's just a normal day. Unless someone makes it special. Other than that, it's probably gonna feel like a normal day. What are your goals for this year? Wami isikhathi. Khona abantu abaloyayo la ngaphandle chumi. Khona abantu abangihleli umona fucked up. So manje, you cannot say your goals uyangithola mos. Can't. I trust Panda to make it special. Really? You trust him? Why don't you host? It's too late now. Bye, Stanley. Nah. I know one of my supporters is gonna buy me as a birthday present. A pink one. Pink one. What are you wearing? My pajamas. Where did you get your I got it at Mr. Prime. Mr. Prime. Your favorite color is pink, no? It's one of my favorite colors. You look beautiful. Thank you. Tabitha's a really good friend. She is. She is. Your room is so nice. Thank you. Story nyana? I cannot store. Where did you buy LEDs? Take a lot. How did you grow your account so fast? It doesn't mean when the main account got banned, you guys were gonna forget about me. Nah. I just need to post. If I can just be consistent. Ish. Kunzima, man. Okay, akukho nzima, but like kunzima. And Sasha uhappy no. Sambongela. And you were so close to 2 million. Ay, girl, not so close. Then go 2 million. 2M. TikTok gets it. No. TikTok gets it. No. Yes, sis. That's another first thing. The nose ring came out, but it's still there. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see the hole? Yes, you can. It's not closed. I just need to buy one tomorrow when we go to the mall. When is the new episode coming out? It's coming out on... it's coming out tomorrow. Do a smiley piercing? Nope. I don't want any piercings in my mouth. Favorite song? I would say Don't Judge Me by Chris Brown. That song talks about my life. Literally. Back to school for some of us. Excuse. Did you watch Losing Lerato on Netflix? Yeah. I watched 1 and 2. The second one didn't make me cry. The first one, oh, child. I cried my eyes out. Please sing. I cannot sing. Cannot sing for shit. Those individuals, yeah. Do you watch Nigerian movies? No. Do you live with a panda? Uyabona nje ukuthi sandla sami sinqunu nje awunalutho nje. So no, I do not live with panda. Panda isn't Durban, guys. Continue zongibuza nini ngopanda. And when I'm at home, you should know that Panda is not here. By this time, Panda has left. By this time, akazalala and angeke. So, mengisendlini nazi ukuthi akekho uPanda mfethu. Do you sometimes wish you had a little sister? No. Are you in Joe? Yeah, I'm in Joburg. Haters are saying you guys are broke. It's fine. I ain't one about rich, but then was about 2 million each. I ain't one about rich, but then was about 2 million each. And told him was but to go squally say, but to go squally say. I'm still selling the pouch. Oh, I'm not sure. Can you speak Spanish? No. How is it not to go to school? Who said I don't? Which phone are you using? iPhone 16. Straight. Is this your main account or what? Yup. How was Russia? It was chill. I want to pay the cool drink a massive. Do you have siblings? Yeah. Say a few words you learned in Russia. Fuck. Fuck. I forgot. I learned how to say hello. What's hello in Russia? I forgot. But it was hello, thank you, and goodbye. Those are the 3 things I needed to learn. Konjani? Fuck, I forgot. I ain't quickly Memphis. What's your favorite Amapiano song? I don't have one. I don't have one. Where did you buy a cup on? No, man. I'd be surprised. Mina guys, ngicela ukuthi ningangitsheli ukuthi ubani utheni ngobani nini kuphi ngobani isikhathi. Ne? Thank you. Are you wearing eye contacts? No. When you post more vlogs? Yes, as soon as I find something to vlog about, yes, I will. I will. Are you Sotho or Zulu? I'm Zulu. I'm Zulu. Prank your family. Nah. I don't want to prank my mom. What if I pop to a heart attack like Ashon? I don't want to prank my mom. Do you think I should keep a guy who loves me more than himself? Yes, why not? They are very rare, bro. Yes, keep him. How? Tuesday, are you going to school? Probably not. Probably not. Do you have a YouTube channel? I forgot the details to the one I created. I need to start doing YouTube now. No? Daily life vlogs. Even if it's just me sitting on my bed, you guys are wanna watch now. Because I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't do shit. So like, I always stay in my room, be on my phone the whole day. Who cooks for you? It's either my mom or the helper. But I don't eat the helper's food. I don't know why, but I only like my mom's hand. If I'm making sense. You know? So I'm feeling like I'm poison and one day. Yes, but I just, I never cook anything. No, man, I never eat anything she cooks, even if it could be my favorite meal. Never. Hello, привет. Yes. Привет is hello in Russian. Yes. In Russian, yes. Привет. And then thank you. Thank you. I don't remember anything. Wishing you pregnancy. Return back to sender. Word of the day. If you don't have enemies / haters, it means that you are doing something wrong. That's the word of the day. If you do have enemies / haters, it means that you are definitely doing something right. Do you enjoy being the host of Drink or Tell the Truth? Yes. Yes, other than work, it's fun. It's not lento yokuthi okay, ngisukela endlini, ngiyashutha, then ichayile. It's actually fun to work with Lasizwe and the team. Do you still live with your friend that had a baby? No, and she's my cousin. Привет. Привет sounds Afrikaans. Exactly. That's why I was like, Baya, thank you. Sounds like it's Afrikaans. Thank you, Spasibo. I think Spasibo is the one. And then Ibabayin. Any question? Can you speak Afrikaans? Nope. Pai is Noka. Nuka or no? Nah. I've never heard that. Nako. Noka or Nako? Lerenkan. Because someone else said Noka, the other one said Nako. Nako kiki Nako. Kinoka. No, Noka, I think. I don't know. Madam was the one who was doing the talkings and shit. It took my man. Really? Thando, how do you deal with so much hate? Boy. There's nothing I can do. It's okay. Obviously, haters are gonna be there. Obviously, not everyone on the internet is gonna like me, and that's okay. That's okay, because I mean, it doesn't make a difference in my life either way. So like, nah. When are you dropping again? Dropping what? I gotta stop looking for us, baby. I will. Soon. Uyabanyisa, uyangithola mos. Huh? Why are you hiding your vape? Because you cannot chew from TikTok, Miss Cat. Favorite artist? Chris Brown. Ooh, see that man? That man is fine. Oh, child. Oh, Jehovah, I wouldn't mind dating a 35-year-old if it's Chris Brown. I wouldn't mind. That man is fine. Ooh, especially live. As in, like, we are born so live. Ciao. Ngamupha abantwana abayi-10. Hey, Thando uyajola. I Thando uyajola. Kodwa Panda knows too. I always tell him, that man is fine. Naye bekakhona. When we went to the concert, ngasho straight ukuthi bekuba kanjani. But he doesn't have a problem because he knows that that's never gonna happen. Yeah, that's never gonna happen, so that's okay. We've been waiting for the 3rd episode of Jingle Tell the Truth. It's coming out tomorrow. I'm really gonna speak about you on their podcast. They are. Apparently, there's more videos. So they are. Me being delusional. Hey, Delulu is the Solulu. And it's Hola Moss. And when I be in the Real Housewives of Durban, I win. Nye housewife kaba ngonje. Nye housewife kaba ngonje. That was just a paid promotion. Yeah. Maybe get in the bag. You check. That was a paid promo from Showmax itself. So, It's so weird that some people hate you, but when they meet up with you, they change. True. That's true. And also, funny thing is, I haven't met a hater in real life. That's the funny thing. I haven't met a hater in real life. Ake kumuntu ozekimo othi he wena usona so. Baphelela nje la emafonini wabo lapha behind the screen nje. Batobetse but said. Tabi was also speaking about you, Mos. Hi. Me. Tabi is my friend. She didn't speak bad, did she? I did not watch that episode. And I'm not going to. I wearing Gucci. Awu wami isikata ngeke afundi uyangithola Mos. Mina guys, ngeke ngiflashe ngezinto engingazi afford. Lena yaseshin sithandwa sami. Shin boki imali, surely boki 90 rand. She didn't speak bad, exactly. So, I know Ntabi is a real one. She would never do me bad, I think. Where do you buy your clothes? Everywhere, hey? Everywhere. I don't have like a specific shop where I shop from. Spong. In. Kalu Spawn. Panda's initials on your nails, Nyana. That's a P right there if you cannot see it. Both fingers. I'm not flicking you guys off. I'm not. I'm showing you guys. It's like a cursive P. Still my vlogs. Gaya, guys. Soon. What's Panda's real name? Panda. Would you color your lashes? No. I don't understand. But then I don't understand why people make fun of our spongos. Go to their suit as exactly. Show me. Mongathi uthando unesipho esikhulu. Ngicela u-include lapho at the end of the sentence ukuthi at least yena muhle or hayi sona siyamfanela. Uthi uyifaka leyo part leyo. Ngayikhohle. Uyangithola mos. Ngayikhohle leyo part uthi uyifaka. Sikhulu sona kodwa hey muhle man. Sikhulu sona kodwa hey siyamfanela man. Uyangithola mos. Where did you get your white puffer jacket? Which one now? Do you live with your mom? Do you put makeup? Yeah. But when I do my makeup, I just put on foundation and powder. That's it. Don't do too much. Do you get your clothes from Shein? Some of them. The white crop puffer jacket. Which one? Oh, I don't know. No, I stole it from my aunt. I don't know where she got it. You didn't go to the Ghost Louis party. It was postponed. Favorite sport? I don't have one. Room tour, Yana. Why do you? There's nothing interesting about my room, eh? Cha. Nothing interesting. Can I have a story time on how you guys met? I don't remember that day, but like I remember I was with Cyan Bougie. I think I slept over by her house. That day, I think that was the day my iPhone 11 got lost. Was it? No, it wasn't. I was sleeping over at Cyan's place, and then Icy told me to come to Moa. I think we were shooting. And then Panda was with Icy. Hi, I'm Panda, I'm Thando, Yeah. Then as time went by, we became closer and closer and closer. I don't get the hype over Chris Brown bundle. Did you attend the Chris Brown concert? See, if you didn't, you won't understand the hype. If you did, you definitely understand. Sana, ooh, that man. You didn't. Yeah, that's why. That's probably why. And guys, if I knew the major league DJs were gonna be there, if I knew, I arrived and they were DJing and I couldn't go to them and stuff. If I knew, benzothi emfethu awuthunzama lapho ngithukuthi kayewanje no Christopher. But I didn't know that they were gonna be there. Summer Walker. Awu, ayi usama sombona mekazi eJozi mfethu. Ayi. Sombona mekazi eJozi mfethu. When is her concert? It's not anytime soon, eh? When is it? Travis, nah, I don't want to go. I don't want to go to that concert. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. But I want to go for the experience. I mean, seeing Travis Scott. But, like, I don't want to go because it's going to be packed. Number one. Number two, Travis, I'm a concert working at our demon. Number three, there's going to be a lot of people there. And what if a stampede happens? Njengasemamuvini mfana manje abantu sebayagijima abanye bayawa bayanyathelwa bayenza mokudlala ifini yona angazi kuyenza kanjani yazi ifini yazi fin yo like I want to go for the experience and to see Travis, but like not sure about the outcome though. They can steal your phone. Exactly. Doja. Is Doja coming to SA? I wouldn't mind seeing Doja Cat. Although I see unobusa taniyan. Got the music work. I asked, when is the Summer Walker concert? When is it? Summer Walker mfethu. It's in October. Oh, then I might attend. I thought it would be like anytime soon. I gotta save up for flight tickets, for accommodation, for food. Because I'm not gonna go to Cape Town just for the concert. No, I've never been to Cape Town myself. So I am probably gonna book for like a week. You know? For like a week in Yana, just to smell the Cape Town air. Will you go with your mom? Why would I go with my mom? She probably doesn't even know who Summer Walker is, or Travis, or anybody. Save. How? Yini ucabanga ukuthi uke Cape Town imahala mesikhathi? Huh? Ucabanga ukuthi is mahala for free? Huh? Phela ngibhukwanga ngizoziyela mina self, so I need to spend my own money. I'm gonna go to the Beyonce. Aye man, so you guys don't want to ask me about artists? Really? Kuba chufle. Touch, pull. Inhale. Yeah. Grand. Yabona ngiyakuthanda. Not a lot of people do that. Yabona ukuthi ngiyakuthanda mara. Yabona, not a lot of people do that. Wow. Scott's Mapuma Aish. Oh, Pulimeke vele guys. Oh, PN. Atuvele wanyamalala nje into thin air. Where is he? I don't know who I would choose between Scott and Limeke. Not a fan of both. I'll say Limeke because uScott ngathi nje unokusa nje nyana. Ngiyam-understand but like hayi ngathi unokusa fucked up. Like mina ne, as if you come to me and you are my supporter and you hug me without like asking me, I am not just gonna I'm not gonna push you away. I will be shocked, yes, because I mean a random person is hugging me, but I'm gonna hug you back, you know? Just a nice, simple, warm hug. Nothing is difficult. Now people are asking us their name. Ngobo. Mapholoba. Konje ithini enye isithakazelo. Amashiya amahle engathi azoshumayela. Uyangithola mos. Amashiya amahle engathi azoshumayela. Fuze. Ngiyangithola mos. Come on, Tleshe ngwana nthabiseng. Ke a leboha. No, but the fans are doing too much. I understand, but maybe like he was in a bad mood. But like if I would understand if he was at a mall or in a private section or in a restaurant, I would understand. But like you are at an event. You are at an event. A lot of people know you. A lot of people fuck with your music. So like you should expect for people to come up to you, right? Why did you stop making music? Hi. When was I a musician? Sure. Yo. Guys, I'm planning to get something of my mom tattooed. I don't know if it's gonna be like her birth year or her date of birth or I don't know what, but I wanna get it. But I don't know what. Yo, you know, choosing a tattoo can be hard because you should make sure you want to have that thing for the rest of your life. Although there's laser what removals. But still, choosing a tattoo is like, oh, it's very hard. I don't know. And I don't want to do those ankle ones. The birth year, like Baby Cooper, Jelly Baby, da da da. I feel like those are too popular. I don't want to do those ones. How much was the amount in the bag? Awa. Kuta lapho kusasa mangivuka imali yami yonke ihambile ngoba bangiloyile. Her initial. Oh, I can do both our initials since it's NN. Crazy how both our initials are NN. Ntabise Ngobo, Thando Ngobo. Man. And but problem is the placement too, because I am planning on getting more tattoos, but obviously not like umntwana kaSathane manje ngathi yangazi ngiyidemon. No, but like I want to make sure wherever I put it I wouldn't have to cover it up, you know, when I get a new design, you know, because I also want like a half sleeve. I want a half sleeve. I don't know about here, but I want like a half sleeve. Probably like flowers, butterflies. Ugh, I love butterflies. It's crazy. They look cute. You can never go wrong with butterflies. Like they look so cute. Butterflies. I don't know. Guys, do you think Little Jajamar, if I could get his name tatted? Litlong judge. Keep in mind, tattoo yatlu, ane yatlu, but like litlong judge. Litlong jaja. Lifiki. Kazala, you guys are not fake. You actually care because it's too soon to get his name tatted. But like, why lenjaja? Why lenjaja? Lenjaja like why tshwanetse lenjaja? Kamorata mos. Kamorata and Elena wangrata and I see a future liena. So like, why wait? Why wait? Little jaja babe. Hi, mamangana. Ngimeli 2 years. Ori mekanka yumntwana. Ori mekazokufaka indandatho chomi. Yeah, then maybe. Kodwa nje nanje hayi. Cha. No. Anything can happen. Exactly. Yazi mako umfana ayakuhlaza. Umfana mushimani. Yo. Ayakuhlaza shem. We're judging Tina. Yeah. Okay, fine. I won't do it. But like in future I am. If we are still together, if we lost that law. Hopefully. But in future, probably when we get married, or no, there's no or. When we get married, and then that's when he'll give me my first baby, and then I'm gonna tattoo my baby's name. What? Hayi. Cishe nganibuza ukuthi umntanami ngizombizani kodwa I just remembered ukuthi I am young. I am speaking adult things. From my mouth to God's ears. No, I don't mean it. No. Jehovah, I don't mean it. No. Yo. Oh my gosh. Nyasha. If gone was a person. Cha. I'm gone. I hope I won't come back. Ngifuna ukunishiya nje forever. Hopefully I won't come back because hey, mengabuya ngiyophahleka kwenza bathini mengabuya ngiyoginqeka phansi shem. Hey, kodwa umfana uzokuhlaza man. Hey, umfana uzokuhlaza man. Hey, umfana yazi umfana oh Jehovah umfana ay. Yo, dum. Write his name on your nails, chomi. Ay. Yabona leyo ke ngisase ne trauma sithandwa sami. Ngisase ne trauma sithandwa sami. I'm proud of you, baby girl. Thando. I'm proud of you, baby. Nah. Nope. You're grand. You're sharp. Hi, ngaleyo. Hi, shaman grand. Ngaleyo. Hi. ngisasenetrauma mfana. Ngisasenetrauma mfana. Aish. No. Gone are those days, Thando. I miss those days too, eh? Ish. Maybe my city 1 year. Maybe 1 year. Then I can put his name. But Mazipo, I mean, Mazipo ayasuka, so it's not like permanent. Maybe my 1 year nje. I got aish. Jehovah ngisasenetrauma. Phela umfana ngakuhlaza chuma. Yazi umfana. Njengoba uKhayimba washilo, a man will leave you. No, a man will leave you in a desert with no water. Hey, achomi. Hey. Proud of you, baby girl. Oh, Jehovah. I'm South Africa. I'm proud of you, baby girl. Because of it. Asmazi unyoko. Ntana sakafida. What else? In because of it. I need to compose. Ngiyajula nekhama nje zabantu. They child you. Aisha mingi ngatrenda shemine sobda. Aisha mingi ngatrenda shem yes. Yo Jehovah. You see the cause of its sound besebenziswa habo Emmanuela from Mark Angel Comedy. That's how much that sound trended. Kasi through ya afro. Guys, I am such a character. Like, I don't realize it, but I do. Like, I am such a character. I don't know how. Spawn was nice. And then you stand up blind. Man. I'm a belangag. It's boom. Swap. I'm a senkulile manje, guys. Senkulile manje. But that was a nice time. Gone are those days for real. That was a nice time. Oh. Now when I catch you. Ah man. Now when I catch you. Improper fraction. Oh. Foroko. Oh. Ow. Jehovah. Jolofina. It's all about label. You see what I mean? And then bayazibuza why in 10 times the realest. How? Yeah. Surely ngizongikhumbula mangishona ne. Surely ngizongikhumbula mangishona shem. You so entertain or one mark? Asmazi unyobo chomi yami. Uyisho i-Indian. Oh my god. I don't think about that. Aibo. Kunani chomi ngoba ngiyazazi ukuthi ngizoshona nje. Ngiyazazi ukuthi ngizoshona ngeke ngiphile forever and ever. Amen. Sooner or later. sooner or later. Change to Itss.thandooo, remove the knot. I cannot because Itss.thandooo is already taken. I think it was for the other account that got banned. Roll on sis. Yini first time bone roll on nay. Nay. Futhi uyibona phi? Yini? Amakhwapha ugcobisa yini? Awugcobisa roll on. Yini chomi wawenza ngathi roll on ayikho normal. Awuyigcobisa ne roll on. How? Not you chewing off camera. I guess you cannot chew on TikTok. They're gonna ban my live and stuff. When they said your mom kicked you out, I was shocked. I was shocked because my mom didn't kick me out. Number one. Number two, I have 3 homes. DJ Coach's house, my mom's house, my dad's house. So I kicked out kanjani yazi makabantu ne yazi abantu bazokuqhubeza mfana. The one of Babalo, which one is that? Oh! Can we not talk about that? Let's not talk about that. No. Man, I'm such a character. You guys cannot lie. Like, I'm such a character, bro. Yo, and then get the show your fan. Like, angizizwa man. Izwa man.